Welcome to the best picks. The best knitting machine is probably one of the most exciting tools for any crafting enthusiast. Imagine transforming yarn into beautiful sweaters, scarves, and more, all at a fraction of the time it takes with hand knitting. This video is your ultimate guide, where we'll explore the different types of knitting machines, helping you find the perfect one to unlock your creative potential and speed up your crafting projects. Number 5. AddiExpress King Size Knitting Machine. Tired of slow knitting? This machine lets you create beautiful items quickly. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced knitters. With a hand crank and row counter, it's simple to operate. The machine stays in place while you knit, making the process smooth and enjoyable. Make scarves, hats, blankets, and more. It offers circular and plain knitting modes. You can use various yarn types to bring your ideas to life. The set includes everything you need to get started. It comes with a threading tool, feet, clamps, replacement needles, and an instruction manual. It has 46 needles and works with US size 6 to 11 yarn. Circular knitting creates a 13.8-inch diameter, and plain knitting is 17.7 inches wide. What we like? This machine offers both circular and plain knitting modes, giving you the flexibility to create a wide range of items. If you are looking for a machine that can handle different yarn types and comes with all the necessary accessories, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The gears turn smoothly, the construction feels solid, and it handles yarn projects with less strain than cheaper alternatives. The included instructions are detailed and explain how to create hats, scarves, flat panels, or circular knitting projects. Smooth operation. Extremely pleased. Number 4. AddiExpress Knitting Machine. This is the AddiExpress Knitting Machine. It offers great possibilities and fun. You can easily knit circular or plain items with this machine. With 22 needles, it's perfect for scarves, patchwork vests, cuffs, and more. It can create circular items with a diameter of 10 to 15 centimeters, and plain items 15 to 20 centimeters wide. The set includes the original AddiExpress knitting machine. It's great for creating various projects like ponchos, pillow covers, and afghans. You'll be knitting in minutes. This item is designed and manufactured in Germany by Gustav Selter GmbH and Company. KG. You can trust the quality and precision of this knitting machine. The AddiExpress comes with a 2-year warranty from Gustav Selter GmbH and Company. KG. It covers any defects, deficiencies, or imperfections, giving you peace of mind. What we like? This knitting machine is designed and manufactured in Germany, ensuring high quality and durability. If you are a beginner or someone who wants to create small projects like scarves and hats quickly, it's the ideal option. What people say. It does come with spare needles as well should that happen. Much better quality than some of the other knitting machines on the market. The Addi Egg is a handy little tool. It's great for making I-cords, quick repairs, or adding small details to larger projects. It's compact, easy to use, and works best with lightweight yarns. This is pretty easy to work with. The instructions are very simple and the option of being able to not only do rounds, but to have it to stop to do flat panels is a major plus. Number 3. SENTRO 48 Needles Knitting Machine. This knitting machine features 48 needles and a row counter, making it easy to track your progress. It also offers adjustable tension for more coordinated stitches. This makes it easier to create beautiful works. The machine offers dual modes for versatile knitting. You can easily switch between tube and panel modes with a single key. It allows you to create both round and flat items. Made from high-quality ABS materials, this machine is sturdy, safe, and portable. It's perfect for beginners and craft enthusiasts alike. Enjoy the process while reducing anxiety and stress. This machine is quick and easy to learn, faster than traditional methods. Just put the yarn into the thread opening and start creating. It is a fantastic handmade gift. Pair the machine with an electric drill using the included adapter for automation. This replaces hand cranking, making the process easier and more efficient. It's especially useful for large projects. What we like? This machine features dual modes for both tube and panel knitting, making it incredibly versatile. If you need to knit large quantities of projects quickly, especially for those who need to knit large quantities of projects quickly. You should consider this one, as it can be automated with an electric drill. What people say. This one works like a charm. It's a lot less stitches being dropped. The legs actually screw in, so when you're holding it, the legs don't pop out when you're trying to turn to hold it. Number 2. SENTRO 40 Needles Knitting Machine. This SENTRO knitting machine is perfect for beginners. It allows you to create flat or round stitches quickly using a hand crank. It's a great way to develop hand-eye coordination while making your own projects. Made from high-quality, environmentally friendly plastic, this machine is safe, durable, and odorless. It's a fun and practical tool for anyone who enjoys crafting. You can weave whatever you imagine. The hand crank makes it easy to create knitted items in seconds. Just thread the yarn and turn the crank. Remember to follow the instructions when starting the first round. Whether you're experienced or a beginner, this machine helps you knit accessories like hats and scarves quickly. It's a great way to create fashion items to give to your loved ones. This circular knitting machine is an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a beautiful handmade gift for children, parents, and friends, perfect for those new to knitting. What we like. This machine is perfect for beginner knitters, allowing you to create items quickly and easily. If you like the idea of making handmade gifts for friends and family, this machine will help you do it with ease. What people say. Easy to use and makes really high-quality hats. My handle, tension guide and needles are all working perfectly. The machine runs very smoothly and the knit fabrics are coming out great. Easy to follow instructions. Feels sturdily made. Even comes with a tiny screwdriver to screw the legs to the base with. The 48 pin makes a great adult-sized hat. Number 1. BZVV 48 Needles Knitting Machine Kit. This knitting machine is made of high-quality, environmentally friendly plastic. It's durable, wear-resistant, and safe for children. It's a green and eco-friendly choice. Using this machine is incredibly easy. Simply turn the crank, and it does the work. Even without knitting experience, you can quickly create hats, scarves, and more. It's perfect for making items for pets too. Design your own knitted creations with this kit. It's a great way to cultivate creativity and DIY skills. You can knit with your child, enhancing love and making unique gifts. The kit includes the 48 needle machine, 8 pom-pom makers, needles, yarn, and an instruction manual. It also comes with a screwdriver and accessory kit. If any accessories are damaged or lost, contact customer service. They will provide replacements without any conditions. What we like. This machine is made of high-quality, environmentally friendly materials, ensuring safety and durability. If you like the idea of designing your own knitted products and enjoying a fun DIY experience with your family, it is the perfect choice. What people say. Easy to get going. Makes hats quickly and has even stitches. Row counter is on point. It is faster than knitting it by hand. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.